I'm making a s'more, but it's raining outside, and I don't have access to the fire pit. Move it, croissant. So we're using the microwave. Yes, the plate is big. Abnormally so, but okay. So 30 seconds. And so now we have this marshmallow and a knife and a graham cracker and a croissant. And I put chocolate in. I love chocolate. So it just kind of melts the chocolate a little bit. Not like completely, but yeah, at the bottom it melts significantly. Oh boy, piano singing suffering. So, I mean, it's not the greatest, so. Or singing, I mean, so. Stupid microwave. Okay. What? That did not poof as planned at all. We're gonna put this in for another 10 seconds. This does not usually happen. Normally, yeah, like that. It grows really huge and then it does its thing. And just carefully do that so I don't get it everywhere. And my parental units don't yell at me. Ooh. So I got this beauty. This giant thing. Hello? I have a giant s'more. And the chocolate's everywhere. But that's okay. Oh, that's really good. As long as it tastes good, which it does. So yeah. I mean, I just put the chocolate in for 30 seconds. And then leave it there while I microwave the marshmallow for 15 seconds. So yeah, that's how to make a s'more. Because I felt like it and nobody asked me. So yeah.